Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to pick up my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. I already prepped my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and now I'm just going to use this translucent powder to set my base. This will help all of the other eyeshadows that we blend effortlessly and really pretty. The first palette I'm going to be picking up is the CREASE palette, and I'm going to use the shade 1988 on a small blendy brush and pop that in the crease. You want to keep blending and adding pigment to this just to add some depth to the eye. The next shade I'm going to be picking up is Yugo, and I'm going to use the same brush and apply it in these same exact areas. Next palette I'm going to be picking up is the Norvina Volume 4. I'm going to be using the shade A4, and I'm going to pick up a blendy brush and blend that out. That way there are no harsh lines. Next I'm picking up some e.l.f. Camo Concealer and a concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. To make it easier for our darker shadows to blend, I'm going back in with some translucent powder and just packing that on the edge. Next, I'm going to go in with 1988 again and just define that line above the cut crease. Taking a clean brush, I'm going to blend that out. Picking up the shade D3, I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Next, I'm picking up B1 on my finger and just going to apply that to the lid. I'm going to go back in with Yugo and 1988 and just fill in that corner. Next, I'm picking up BK on a small pencil brush and adding some depth to that outer corner. I forgot to film this, but after I finished applying BK, I went in with a concealer brush and just angled that eyeshadow upwards. Next, I'm going in the waterline with Espresso Gel Liner from L'Oreal Paris. And then I'm going to blend out that liner with Yugo and 1988. So I did the rest of my face off camera, and now we're moving on to eyelashes. I like to curl my eyelashes first, and then I am going to be going in with my Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And I'm going to be coating both the top and bottom lashes. For lashes today, I am using the Ardell Beauty lashes in 105. They're just like really long, natural looking lashes. I kind of wanted them a little longer like that and not so bold, just because I feel like when you have a really bold lash, you can't see the eyeshadow, so that's why. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Iced Latte lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. This is one of my absolute favorite lip liners of all time. I think it's just a very beautiful nude shade. And then I'm going to go in with NYX Lip Lingerie in Satin Ribbon. I also like to go back in with the lip liner and blend the lipstick and the lip liner together. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I absolutely loved the way these eyeshadows sparkled. They were so pretty. Yeah, but let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I will talk to you babes next time. Love you.